Is it really possible to create good Nebari using such a simple method in just 1 year? A year ago, I tried to create better Nebari on this Zelkova bonsai. About the soil, it was doing great. But what really matters is what happened underneath. So today, we are going to find out if it actually worked and whether I do it again. If you haven't seen my previous video, I trimmed unnecessary roots, cut the bark near the base to trigger new root growth, and placed a flat stone underneath to force them to spread outward. Let's take the tree out of the pot. But before that, I've already prepared the new pot and soil. I removed the soil, working from the trunk outward in a radiating pattern. The roots have grown a lot, actually more than I expected. They've started circling the pot, which is something we need to fix. And here, this is where I cut the bark last year. You can see multiple new roots forming from this exact point. This is a very good sign. So, how good is this really? To answer that, let's quickly look at what makes good Nebari. Ideally, roots come out at the same height, similar thickness, gradually taper outward, spread evenly in all directions, and grow horizontally when viewed from the side. It's still far from ideal, but compared to last year, this is a big improvement. The roots now grow at a similar height and they're starting to spread more evenly. And they grow horizontally, not downwards. To keep improving the Nebari, I'm going to repeat what I did last year. I'm looking for 5 types of roots to remove. That includes roots growing above Nebari, roots growing downward, thick dominant roots, crossing roots, and roots wrapping around the trunk. Just like last year, I'm making a cut on the trunk to promote new root growth. Just below the area where you want new roots to grow. Then I place the stone back beneath the base of the tree. This simple trick helps force the roots to grow horizontally instead of diving downward. For step-by-step guide, please check the previous video. But I did make one mistake here. I didn't prune the branches to balance growth, and that affects how evenly the roots develop. So overall, I'd say this method works. I fertilize well and prune when necessary during the growing season. And I'll share the result with you next year. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.